Hey, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to show you a ClickUp setup that focuses purely on productivity. And I want to be clear from the start, this setup is simply on purpose. We are not trying to use every single ClickUp offers. We are trying to get work done without mental overload. This is how ClickUp looks like on the home page. It looks like this. This is their dashboard. As you can see, there's a lot of features, but for this video, we only have one rule, is that we're going to choose one view only. For the setup, I'm going to use the view list because it's more direct and less distracting. Multiple views look very powerful and other options, but they split your attention from the main direction. So you're going to go to space. You're going to go to team space right here. You're going to create a new fresh list. I'm going to create it right in front of you, triple VR. Then we are going to just give it like that. Automatically, there's triple VR right here. We will just cancel all these features for now. We only are going to focus here on the list view. We are intentionally ignoring advanced settings, no automations, no custom fields, no goals, no dashboards. Those features aren't bad. They are just not necessary for daily productivity. Now, I want us on this list to add a few real tasks that we're going to do today. The first thing is you open a new board, you open a new sheet, we add our list. You are going to go to add tasks right here, and we're going to add just 4 tasks right now. First one, you can also add the description if you want here. I'm just going to put this to do. I'm going to put a due date. You can either say this is the start of today, and it's going to be done today. So this is due today. How high level of a priority it is, we will choose how high level it is. It's high. So I'm just going to create that task right now. Automatically, you can see that have a meeting with my CEO has been added. It's today, it's due today, and it's a high level priority. So we're going to add a couple of 3 more. You can add it in 2 ways. You can add it via here, or you can add it via here. So I'm just going to add the third one like this. And we're just going to give it a date. It's today. I'm going to give it a priority. It's normal. Then our list, want to write our last one. So as you can see, we have 4 tasks that we have simply just placed right here on ClickUp. So the setup and the strategy is try by all means to keep your daily tasks that you want to accomplish today simple and less. Don't have so many tasks that you want to do within a day. It will end up being overload and you end up not completing the task or doing them at all. But keeping a list of few tasks that are doable, these are doable. As you can see, if you want to add another task, just add it here. So once you have your task right here, it's a matter of just doing them accordingly. Now you know that you have a meeting with your CEO, you have to send invoices, you have to read views, you have to do videos. And you can see that today, this is today, and you can see by the priorities how different are they. So once you are doing the tasks, you can also just create right here if you want to create another topic. Once you start doing the task, what you do is you just click here saying that now this is in process, showing that from this today it's in process now. Now you're actually taking this task on and you're doing it. Once it's done, it's only a matter of just giving it a tick like this to mark that this task is complete. You just have to give it there and you just voila, you have completed that task. So once you just click here in to do, what task you are going to do here. You have 3 left. So the next task that you're going to do, you're just going to say, now I'm sending my invoices. You just press that so that now you are doing your invoices. You are in process and you're starting to tackle your tasks. Once your task is done, you go back and you just press complete. Just like that, you have completed your tasks without even a hesitation, without overload, without thinking so much. This setup is very simple and it's very good on a daily to make sure that you have your daily tasks complete. And it removes the sense of making so many decisions without no need. There is no question to which view to use, no question to which feature to open. Your tasks, your execution. Productivity isn't about more features, it's about fewer directions, but with the right decisions. For context, this is very close to how we approach things in LemTask. The focus is always the same. What needs to be done today? This is the LemTask homepage. This is how LemTask looks. This is their dashboard. As you can see, it's very good. It's very good. It helps you to track, as you can see. They have this feature to track your productivity on how much you're doing versus yesterday. You got your momentum, which is tracked between your 7-day trend. That is very good. And also you got a trend that shows that how much tasks are you up by and how many tasks can be completed weekly. So I'm just going to go to Braindom and show you this amazing feature on how you can just quickly schedule your task without even typing. Have a meeting with my CEO today. With this feature, I automatically set my schedule by just using my voice. And the reason why I said today to emphasize that this is for today. Then, as you can see right here, there is today's date. It's only about me adding the time when is the meeting and how high level of a priority this is for me. It's a high one. Then it's all about me just adding my task in just like that. I'm just going to do the last one. Send invoices today. I'm just going to extract that. I'm just going to, as you can see, send invoices. I'm just going to give it my time. I'm just going to give it how high of a priority this is for me. And of course, the suggestion, I love this so much because it tells you what category are you actually focusing on. And this is finance because it's true. And you just add that to your tasks. And we will be going to today's inbox. Today is where all the tasks that you have to do today stay. So things that I have to accomplish today are right here. As you can see, send invoices, have a meeting with my CEO. I've already just planned the task. What's left for me is to execute. That's left for me. The task has already been set. I know what time I'm going to do the task. I know when I'm going to do it. And it's only a matter of when the time hits, I'm having that meeting with my CEO, I'm done. When the time hits, I'm sending those invoices, I'm done. Once I'm done, I just complete, signifying that this execution was complete. This ClickUp setup works because it respects your attention. Start simple, stay consistent, add complexity only when your work truly requires it. Add certain features when you need it, not when you don't. Thanks for watching. Please hit the notification button below and please like, comment, and subscribe.